Hey, movers and shakers, welcome to another very spontaneous live stream from the Seven Figure Moving Academy headquarters. Please don't mind the back, all my eBay stuff back there. Um, anyway, guys, I wanted to ask you, do you have a hard time coming up with ideas for your social media, like Facebook page posts, Twitter tweets, Instagram posts? Etc. Pinterest, whatever it might be. Do you have a hard time coming up with that? Well, if you do, I have a very simple solution, and it actually incorporates using AI. And let me get into it. Here is my Chat GPT. I am using Chat GPT 4. I am using Chat GPT 4 because it does incorporate dall-e, which dall-e then can create images for you. Now you can do this completely free. You could go and use ChatGPT 3.5, which is free, or you can go into dall-e itself and use dall-e for a very either free or very, very, very low cost as it is. But guys, so I'm going to use ChatGPT to show you what I did to create a post. Here is my book. I wrote this book. It is a real physical book. It's called Save Money Moving. So, what I did is I took a chapter out of my Save Money Moving book. Now, let's say I wanted to sell this book, but I don't have a lot of money for marketing. So, what I could do then is take a chapter, which I did, and I copied it, and then I pasted it right here into Chat GPT 4. Right, let me show you that. Okay, I then put it in Chat GPT 4 right here. You can see it. It's all right there. Here's the brief prompt that I use. I said, please analyze this chapter from my book, Save Money Moving. Chapter 1, size does matter. The right boxes for the right items. And then I had a colon, and then I put the chapter in quotes. And then Chat GPT 4 went out and analyzed it, and it came up with this analyzation. Okay, it says here's the key points, so on and so forth, dot, 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 which is awesome. It did a great job. And then it gave me actually some suggestions, which I did not ask for. It gave me some suggestions for improvement, which a lot of the suggestions were great. I then, because this is Chat GPT, hence the title Chat, right? I wanted to act like we were chatting, we were having a discussion. So I said, thank you, and great suggestions too, right? ChatGPT says, you're welcome. I'm glad you found the suggestions helpful, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Now, this is the next prompt. I said, please act as a social media marketing professional, and based off your description, please write me an engaging Facebook post for my Facebook page. Don't make it too long, and include an image that would entice it should say entice a click, but it says and click. Again, ChatGPT is smarter than I am and can understand what I'm saying. Entice a click to this article in the aspect ratio of 16.9. Now, if I were even smarter and had thought this out a little bit more, I would have said also include a call to action to buy my book at such and such URL, right? And then, so what ChatGPT did is it spewed out this picture, decent picture, a lot of boxes packed. I don't like this little Facebook weird kind of thing, but hey, it is what it is. And then it gave me this description with emojis, ready to move and save. Of course, everybody's ready. And then what it did is it gave me this. It also gave me hashtags so that it could be found further on in the process. Right. So that is very good. But hey, there's more than just Facebook, right? So I said, great. Now please do this for my Instagram page, but make the image in the aspect ratio of 9.6. And guess what? It did. Look at that. That's a little bit better photo, right? And then it gave me an Instagram post. So again, you can copy and paste that, put that right into your Instagram. If you're using this on your phone, you could actually download the pic right to your phone, and you can copy and paste, go to your Instagram and do it right from your phone. If you're on your desktop, there's a few more steps that you would have to do. Like you would have to download the photo, put it on your desktop, copy and paste this, going to take that, somehow put it in your phone, because you can't do Instagram on your phone, but you can do like Twitters and tweets and stuff like that. Anyway, awesome. Thank you. You're doing quite well. Thank you, ChatGPT. You're welcome. You can say, now please create an appropriate Twitter tweet. Remember, Twitter only allows 140 characters. It's actually a little bit more, but you know what I'm saying. I also creating an image specifically for Twitter. And guess what? It does. And notice the theme. It's sticking to the same theme, same background colors or similar background colors, similar kind of things in boxes. So, it's really doing. Are these the best photos? No, they're not the best photos, but they do communicate the concept. Great. Again, there's more than Instagram, there's more than Twitter, and there's more than Facebook. So what else did we do? Great. Now finally create me a Pinterest with an appropriate image for Pinterest. Again, spit it out. And notice I did not put the aspect ratio for the picture, right? It already knew exactly what aspect ratio was needed for Pinterest for this photo, right? And it gave me this simple description, which I can then go and put on my Pinterest page and have put this pin is what they call for Pinterest, and so on and so forth. Now I could have made these different prompts more idealized. Like for Facebook, I could have said, understand that I'm targeting higher income families. Twitter, and so on. Based on the demographics, I could have then put in my prompt to base them around the different prompts that I'm using, or the different places that I'm using these prompts. So you can actually then use a piece of content that you have, whether it's a blog post or it's an article about moving, or so on and so forth. Also, you could also, just so you know, little black hat SEO or little black hat social media hack, you could go into a competitor's Facebook or website or something, take one of their blog posts, take the blog post, do a little copy and paste, or use the URL from that and say, ChatGPT, analyze this blog post page, and it would do the same thing. It would analyze it. Say, great. Now, ChatGPT, based on that analyzation, write me a great Facebook page for my Facebook thing, and make sure I have a call to action. So here is what you guys could do to actually create very simple, very quick, very easy. This literally took me about 10 minutes all in all, because I had some distractions, but it could take you about 5 minutes to do all of this in of itself by yourself very, very quickly. Now, obviously that isn't sustainable if you want to do it on a long, on a daily basis or whatever you're going to do it. So obviously hiring a virtual assistant or somebody, a college kid or high school kid or someone that's good with a technology and the internet and ChatGPT, you could hire somebody to do this for you on a daily basis and actually create you a great social media campaign based on all of this information. And get this, because ChatGPT is good, you can tell it to make it engaging and informative, but still being concise, right? And what this would do is help you build up your social media platform, get you more followers, and thus more leads. So guys, I just wanted to give this out to you, show you what you can do with it. I have written a book called The AI Powered Millionaire. If you want that book, please go to Amazon.com and look for The AI Powered Millionaire by yours truly, and pick up that book. It's very, very affordable. All right, guys, thank you. I like you. I love you. Go and do something great today. Bye-bye.